In this video, I'm going to show you how to roll a 4-panel door like this. Zoom in. With one of these. My name's Stephen from INEXTERIORS Painters Decorators, and you're watching INEXTERIORS TV. Right, like I just said, I'm going to show you how to roll one of these 4-panel doors with a 4-inch foam roller. Now I'm using oil-based eggshell for this, and oil-based eggshell is self-undercoating. Alright, also the brand of paint that I'm using is Johnson's. Now the brush that I'm using is a 2-inch, the brush that I'm going to use to lay off is a 2-inch Hamilton Prestige. I've already painted the frames, done all the cutting in bits like round the back at, the hinge edge. I've done this leading edge. I've even painted all the mouldings on the door. I did all that on Friday, and because I had sort of 6 of them to do, that's what I do. I just go around doing all the brushwork first, and then another day I'll do the rolling. And that's where we are today. We are at the rolling stage. So I'm going to show you how to roll this door. First of all, we roll the 4 panels. Like I said, I've already done the mouldings. I did them on Friday, and it's now Monday. Then lay it off. I've also got lining paper under the door as well as my dust sheet. If you would like to purchase the similar tools that are used for this task, please feel free to check out the links in the description below. And also, if you're planning on doing any other decorating works, please feel free to visit my tool store. The links are also in the description below. I mean, it's the same colour as well, so you'll probably struggle to see any sort of colour change. The only bit of cutting in I haven't done is the bit alongside the hinges here. So we bring this leg down, this side bit down here, just to there. So just below that centre bar, that centre bit, we bring that down to. Because when we do the bottom bit, we can then lay it off up into that. I would normally roll right up against that bit of paper, but I just noticed a couple of hairs there. And roll this bottom bit. Lay it off. And that is how to roll a door and to lay it off. Thank you very much for watching and take care.